Am I actually growing? Am I wasting my potential?
Ambition is very beautiful, but
Maybe we are actually not lost, we are just in the construction of our own thoughts.
I don't think ambitious people are actually lost. I think we are just trying to become too many people at once. For me, I can count on my fingertips a trader, a good son, a disciplined person, a creator, a speaker, a mentor, and someone who is actually respected by people. And somewhere in this whole process, you forget who you actually are. I also forgot who am I. Because every day you wake up with 25 list of goals. You want to fix your body, fix your money, fix your career, fix your mindset, build a business, and grow on social media all at once. And by the end of the day, you just feel tired. Not because you did too much, but because mentally you tried to live 7 different lives in one day. And I've realized this about myself recently. I'm 22. I do a full-time job. I work in content and growth. I learn directly from the founders. I'm also trying to build contact. I'm trying to improve my trading at once. Trying to understand psychology. Trying to become financially free before 25. Trying to become better at communication. On this paper, it sounds very amazing. Like wow, ambitious बंदा है. आप भी वही हो ना? कमेंट करके जरूर बताना कि यहाँ तक ऐसा लगा कि बस भाई ने बोल दिया कि ये तो मैं हूँ बाबा. भले ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट कुछ ना कुछ यही करना चाहता हूँ. कोई बिजनेस, कोई थॉट प्रोसेस, कोई ऐसी चीज जो बस मैं क्रेजी कर दूँ. उसी थॉट प्रोसेस में घूमता रहता हूँ. पकड़ लिया. But in reality, it is very exhausting. You know why daytime is easy? Because during the day, you feel productive. Office calls, laptop meetings, commute, too much pressure and that thought process. बस मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ. यही तो पकड़ना है दोस्त. कर क्या रहे हो? Feel like you're moving. But in night, you're like, काश ये कर लेता तो जिंदगी बेटर थी. काश ये आज ऐसा कर लेता तो ऐसा होता. All about regret. And it is dangerous because when all the noise stops, that's where the real question starts. Am I actually growing? Am I wasting my potential? Am I behind? Should I do something else? ये thought process वही तो चलता है दोस्तों. Why does it feel like everybody is growing, everybody is doing something, and I am stuck at this whole one process? I think comparison makes it even worse. You open Instagram, someone is traveling, someone is getting funded, someone is starting his own startup, someone is making money, someone is getting fit, someone is growing on YouTube. Snip it, and suddenly your brain says, bro, why you are doing all this? Why you are not moving a wheel? So now, you are not chasing your own life, you are trying to chase someone else's life. कि भाई ये बंदा ऐसा कर रहा है तो मैं ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर सकता? वो मोटिवेशन आ जाती है ना. And this is where the chaos begins. It was never about the lack of ambition. At least for me, it is the problem of direction. And it is just not me who has realized, but all the people in my life, those who have been throughout my journey, they always say you channelize energy, you focus yourself on something else, and you find the right path. More importantly, lack of elimination. My thought process. I never needed more goals. I needed few priorities. और कल रात को बैठ के ना मैंने अपने आप से एक बहुत ही uncomfortable question पूछा कि भाई, what if I'm not actually confused? What if I'm not overloaded with information? Because confusion feels like lack of clarity, but overload, that is very different. And even it feels very different. It feels like too many tabs open in your brain and your brain gets clogged. मतलब कोई कुछ कह रहा है, तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, तुम फोकसली सुन नहीं पा रहे. तुम्हें कोई डांट रहा है तो तुम नहीं सुन पा रहे हो, तुम्हें कोई कुछ बता रहा है तो तुम नहीं सुन पा रहे. तुम बस लॉस्ट हो कहीं ना. हर एक टैब ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फील करता है भाई. चाहे वो करियर हो, चाहे वो मनी हो, फैमिली एक्सपेक्टेशन, स्किल, सोशल मीडिया, fitness, trading, listening to people, everything feels very urgent. Because of that, nothing gets your full attention. सोना नहीं है. For me, this started becoming very obvious when I noticed a pattern. यहाँ पे लास्ट 3 वीडियोस दिख जाएंगी जहाँ पे मैंने अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताया, जहाँ पे मैंने साइकोलॉजी के बारे में बताया, जहाँ पे मैंने ट्रेडिंग के बारे में बताया, जहाँ पे मैंने ये बताया कि मैंने ट्रेडिंग क्यों स्टॉप करी. ये लास्ट वीडियोस पूरी सीरीज के अंदर ताकि हम इंटीग्रेट कर पाएं कुछ प्यारी सी चीज की. यहाँ तक बने हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना दोस्तों, शेयर करना दोस्तों के साथ जिनको लगता है कि ये देख के उनकी लाइफ में थोड़ी सी एनर्जी हो, स्पार्क आ पाए और बोले कि बाबा ये बंदे ने तो दिल की बात कह दी है. I would start things with a lot of excitement. जैसे भी देखी ना, very high intent, full on motivation. मैं उस चीज का बादशाह बनूंगा. I will make content, I will trade properly, I'll learn a new skill, I'll study psychology and I will become financially better. लास्ट एक वीक पहले मैंने वो चीज करने को ट्राई करी एंड पता क्या हुआ? पहले 7 दिन तो सब मस्त गया, उसके बाद भाई खत्म, गुड बाय, टाटा, गया. उसी का इंटीग्रेशन भी यहाँ पे आएगा. ये mentally was I have done everything in my mind. But reality was very different. I made a lot of moments and a very little momentful progress, and it hurts वो बस ऐसा लगाओ कि तुम्हारे हाथ से किसी ने सोने का सिक्का छीन लिया। पता है क्यों? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट लेजी, यू आर ट्राइंग, बट योर एनर्जी इज स्कैटर्ड। मेरे अंदर भी यही कमी है दोस्तों, मैं तो एडमिट कर रहा हूँ। अपन करेंगे ना साथ में, क्यों टेंशन लेते भाई है। एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एम्बिशन इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बट अनडायरेक्टेड एम्बिशन इज chaotic. Just because you can do as many things, वो पता है ना, jack of all trades, master of none. And it does not mean that you chase all of the things at once. मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे को ये चीज समझाई थी। What you are trying to do ना, you are trying to chase everything at once. वो बात मुझे जो हिट करी है, भाई मम्मी पापा बेस्ट एडवाइस देते हैं। I was trying to do and build 5 different things, and I'm frustrated why I'm not growing enough. क्यों सब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं? पता है क्यों? Maybe some of you are doing the same because you lack discipline, but because you have not chosen your season yet. So that's why I'm trying something very different. Not repeating the same mistake again. Not trying to change my life in 1 week. Not trying to make 10 different versions of myself overnight. Just focusing on fewer things. Doing my job well, building content consistently, improving my training, psychology, and systems, and becoming a more structured person. Simple, easy peasy, not easy, but simple. And I'm calling Project 25. Building system, well controlled before 25. Publicly, one step at a time. And honestly, maybe lost in your 20s is not actually a bad thing. And people criticize it. Maybe this phase is really necessary for a human because actually it is the first time in your life you are forced to build something consciously. No school roadmap, no college roadmap, no guaranteed path, just you, your decisions, and the consequences of your decision, which is scary but also very powerful because for the first time you actually get to decide who you want to become. So if you're feeling behind, confused, or somewhere around that everybody around you is moving faster, relax. You don't need a completely new life. You actually need fewer, less distractions, very less and few identities, and more intentional with a good intent action in all the work you do. Be it in your field, be it in your life, be it in your job, anywhere, anywhere. That's exactly what I'm trying to do right now. Build myself again. More honestly, more intentionally. Not a fake productivity guru, not as someone who has figured everything out, but as someone who is literally figuring out in real time. So by your then, if you're really in this phase of life, trying to become financially free, more disciplined, more self-aware, and less chaotic, join me. I'm documenting my whole journey, one video at a time, one lesson at a time, and one mistake at a time. Because maybe we are actually not lost, we are just under construction of our own thoughts. तो ग्रीप वाली बॉडी देखिए तुमने जो अपने आप को हैमर मार रही है, that is the reality of life. So I'll see you in the next time. Subscribe for more.